the entire project is in one kit. What you see here is our Block cleaner, degreaser, and etcher. This is a product that you take, you mix this with 3 quarts of water, put that out on the surface, scrub it in using a scrub brush. As this is being activated, it will start to foam. Once it's finished foaming, what you want to do is take a water hose and just make sure that you get all of the debris out of the garage. So you're going to continue to wash over the surface. You're going to wash off all of the excess concrete that's turned into dust. You're also going to be able to feel at this point that the concrete has been etched. One of the things that this will do is it will help the concrete to accept the epoxy as you put it on. The great part about that is this is going to resist hot tire pickup. You guys have seen where garage floors have been finished and they haven't been done properly. You drive a car back into the garage and back the car back out, and you'll grab hold and you'll rip the surface off. This etcher will keep that from happening. So now what we're going to do, after you get all of the debris off of the surface, you feel that it's been etched, you know that it's clean, then what you're going to want to do is take this product, you mix it up, take the part A and the part B of the epoxy, mix them together, and then what Keith's going to be doing is just going around the surface and just cutting in the edge. Just make sure that you can get the product all the way to the edge of your garage. While he's doing that, I'll step back and tell you a couple more things about this project. Each one of these kits will cover 250 square foot, so roughly a 1-car garage. So if you're doing a 2-car garage, you're just going to need 2 kits. These kits retail at around $72. So you're talking about for under $150, you can give your house that extra pop. And one of the things that we have noticed in this day and age when spec homes are being built again, and people are looking for a way to have their homes set apart from the other homes that are being built, this is a way for not a whole lot of dollars that you can get this look for your house. Now after this has been cut in, and you can see that the edges are all taken care of, we're going to come back across using a roller. And we're going to roll this from 2 different directions. Keith, if you would come back from this side. You're going to have about an hour and a half to work with it, but it goes on really fast. As you can see, what we're doing is we're doing about a 2-foot by a 4-foot section. The reason that you want to do this at 2-foot by 4-foot sections is the next step that you're going to do is going to be spreading the decorative flakes. So you want to make sure that you can reach across the area to get to the decorative flakes. Brian's going to be spreading the decorative flakes across. These flakes serve a couple of different purposes. One is strictly decorative. The other is it gives an anti-skid to the surface. You can put as much or as little as you would like. As you can see, the applicator that we're using here that comes in the kit looks very similar to like a pizza cheese spreader. Put as much or as little as you would like, so you can kind of create the effect that you want. One of the other great things about these decorative flakes is they will hide any imperfections in the garage floor. They will also make it to where the garage floor doesn't show dirt as easily. Now you can stop at this point right here. It's a beautiful surface. But the next step that we have is another kit. It is our premium garage floor kit. If you see what's this sample that's over here on this far side, half of this sample was done just with this and we stopped. The other half, we used our premium epoxy. This premium epoxy is a high gloss sealer. Gives it a showroom finish. Really a high gloss. One of the other additives that comes in that product that Brian's holding right here is a little packet of silicone. That will be used to make sure, mixed into the product to make sure that it is anti-skid on the surface. Okay?
I
some of the problems that you might see and some of the things that you want to do to a garage floor.